even roll it for me. You can't even roll it for me. Huh? You can't even shake it. You can't even twist it. You can't even give it to me the way I want it. You were there doing nonsense. Eh? Don't you know what I like? Why didn't you give it to me the way I wanted it? Huh? What is wrong with you? You know what I wanted, but you never gave it to me. Eh? What is your problem? You were there shouting, screaming. Huh?
Baby now.
What?
What is it now? I was giving you this thing. I was giving you...
You never gave it to me. What I wanted was... Come closer. Squeeze it. You squeeze it. I'll be rolling it. You'll be screaming, baby, 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 stop. And I'll not stop. I'll do it. Hit the gate, come on. That's what you could have done. Huh?
Baby, I will not kill myself now.
You have everything. Everything. But you can't even make use of it.
Oh, baby, stop now. Stop. Do you want me to kill myself?
Kill yourself.
Yesterday you told me that I was
kill
very
yourself
sweet.
For me.
I was giving you.
I didn't ask you to do it now. Huh? Kill yourself for me. Yeah? Do everything for me. So I'll be screaming. I'll be yelling for you. I'll be shouting. You'll be hearing it from my voice. And I'll be saying, Mommy, Mommy, Mommy. It will be the sweetness of what you're doing to me. But you never did it. You understand what I mean? Hello? Hold on. Cherry comes and the Cherry, hold on. Hello? Hello, babe? Oh, babe, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, I've missed you. Yeah. Where are you? What? You're close by? Oh my God. Okay, yeah, I'm home. Yeah, I'm home. You can come around. Yeah, okay. See? That's my girlfriend.
So what am I to you?
You are an Irokotri.
What do you mean?
That girl I just answered now. Whenever she's giving it to me, I'll be screaming. I'll be seeing my grandmother and I'll be yelling, Mommy, Mommy, Mommy. Oh, my body is shaking. Because pimples everywhere. I'll be yelling. I'll be shaking. Like I'm dancing at the Ogu tree. I'm like I'm dancing at the Ogu. Hey, you need to see me with this girl.
So when I'm giving you, what are you seeing? You're not seeing your grandmother.
I am seeing. Do you know what I'm saying? I am seeing a stagnant Igwe. Yes. Stagnant Igwe. Virgin of Nollywood. Yes. So you know what to do? You have to leave now. So you have to leave now.
I'm not going, no. Is she finer than me? Is she sexier than me? I'm not going anywhere. This is my boyfriend's house. I'm not leaving.
Baby, if you see this girl, you check her. You know, hey, Toludo. Oh yeah, get out. Shut. Don't come back again.
I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, don't even.
I'm not going anywhere.
Don't even try.
I'm not going to. This is my boyfriend's house.
I will slap you now. Leave here now.
This is my boyfriend's house. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Come on. Hey, you still here? I said get out! Did you hear that? What I need is a hot, satisfying. Not that nonsense you gave me earlier. That was rubbish. Hey. Do not set me anything. I said get out. Whoever I said that stays, stays. If I wanted to go, you go. So leave.
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm going to slap the hell out of you now. Do you understand? Get out of here. I said get out.
No, I'm not leaving. Why are you doing this to me?
Hey!
Why are you doing this to me now?
Just to rough handle me and roll on me, squeeze me, rough handle me, bend it. You can't even do anything. Get out!
Babe, I had a nice time.
Oh, baby. Baby, don't you think Is have time you met my people?
It depends on you.
I will want my people to know that I found the perfect woman for myself.
And how sure are you that your people will accept me?
Who wouldn't want such an adorable soul like you as a daughter?
Honestly, whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
Baby, I'm ready right now.
Really?
I'm ready.
Thank you. So tell me, what are we doing today?
Wow! Baby! I'll be waiting for you. Come on, give it to me. Oh my God!
Easy.
Damn. Your eyes are rolling? I'm gonna roll it more, okay?
Okay, calm down. I'm sweating. I need to shower first.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, let me freshen up. I'm going to give you jogger style.
Yeah, you know exactly what I like.
Yeah, just hold on.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I'm coming.
Don't wash out the ingredients, okay? Asa pusikwa no there. Oh my God. Damn.
Uche.
Yes, sister.
Uche, I am looking for my bag of things. Did you see where I keep them?
Sorry, I was looking for my wristwatch, so I ended up searching the whole room to see if I can find it.
You're searching the whole room.
Yeah.
How many times have I wanted you to stop going to my corner, Uche? What is wrong with you? Huh? Can you stay away from my things and face your own?
I'm sorry, but I think the bag is still there.
That corner is mine. I don't want to see you there again. So why didn't I see the bag?
I'll go and look for it now.
Don't go to that corner again. No. I'm warning you now. Don't go there again. No. Yeah, Rita. Why are you shouting on top of your voice? Okay. Mama, it's not you that is always looking for trouble where there is none. I've wanted him to stop going to my corner, but he wouldn't listen.
What corner? What corner are you talking about?
The corner close to my room.
And then how is it your corner? Rita, in this house, in where corner? In my husband's house. If you want to have a permanent corner, go to your own husband's house. Go and get married and have a corner in your husband's house. The Luche cannot come there to do anything.
Mama, so you're supporting him?
I'm not supporting, but I'm telling you the right thing now. This is my husband's house. You can't have a corner in this house. You say it's your personal corner. Any corner in this house is the general corner for everybody. Can you record it?
Mama, tell her.
Okay. Tell me what?
My son, no, it's not possible. If you want to have a corner, go to your husband's house. How can you say my son? For what? Corner in my house.
I don't see you there again. If I see you again, I will slap you.
If you slap him, I will give you a husband immediately.
Let me see you.
That man selling for pop at the junction must marry you. That the worker. On Loge Nyala in my house. Uche, let her go and get married so she have her own corner. Where? Nyala. Let me hear it in this house. Come, follow me. Let's go. Bring that back.
Let's go. You've asked me that question a million times today. Really? You know, I never knew I was going to fall in love. In fact, I have already given up on love. But you're my answered prayer. Thank you for coming into my life. I love you. And of course, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Now you're going to make me cry. Stop already. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Baby, what is this?
What is what?
Who owns that female underwear I saw inside the bedroom?
Is your own missing? What kind of stupid question is that? Yeah?
I don't. Who and who have you been seeing behind my back?
Oh, see question. Okay, if you care to know, I've been seeing your ancestor. Yes. And all your dead great grandfather. What a stupid question. You entered into a bedroom and you saw a pant, knowing fully well that it's not yours. All you have to do is to look, because I know you must hang it like this and look. All you have to do is to hang it, look, and walk away, because you know it's not yours. You're here asking me who owns the pant.
Zeb.
Or you Zeb?
So this is all you have to say, right?
Oh, yeah, my friend. If you don't have any serious talk or any serious things to gist about, I better go and look for something to do.
I can't believe my ears. Are you serious?
Question here.
She didn't want to ask you why you've not done that. And why you look so dull. What happened?
I think I have malaria.
Malaria, pa. Rita, why won't you have malaria? Eh? When you hardly rest.
How do you expect me to rest? When I have responsibilities that I need to take care of, I can't rest.
It is true.
Good morning, Sister Susie.
Hi, good morning, Uche. How are you doing?
Sister, I've come to collect money for my computer lesson.
Don't worry, before I go to work, I'll give you.
Okay. Thank you, sister.
Hey, Rita. Maybe small responsibilities, you.
So you see, I can't rest. Even if I want to, I can't.
It is wrong. But we need to go to work with your state of health.
Why won't I go to work? Of course I will go to work. Just wait, my father will come out and ask for his own. Full state of health help. Sure. I will go to work. I have to.
Just take it easy with yourself, okay?
It's fine. Thank you.
Girl, I am so sorry to disturb you. I know because of the time difference. I know it's pretty late down there. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but I just can't wait to tell you the good news. Yes! Okay, first off, we went to this exquisite restaurant. The candlelights, the petals, the rose petals. I was like, what's going on? And then they brought us dinner. I'm like, okay, this place is really cozy, because he has never brought me to that place. And voila, he opened the plate and he said, will you marry me? I know. I'm so excited. He's in a sitting room. I don't want him to hear me talk. Yeah, I love him. I hope you're coming back for my wedding, oh. Yes, and I'm going to order my wedding gown from there. Yes, you are taking charge of that one. I know. Girl, don't worry. God will give you yours now. You know, say me self not believe for this love matter, but it just happened. I didn't know it was going to happen. Girl, I am going to be praying for you. Your love, your man will come. I know. I'm so happy, girl. I know. I love they shock me.
Hey, are you still seated here? What's going on? Are you deaf and dumb? I am talking to you. Hey. I am not just in the mood for any nonsense. As you can see, I'm dressed to go out. So go in there, pack your things, and let me drop you off.
I don't blame you.
Anybody? Look at her. See your small yash. Your flat bum bum. Nonsense. Look at your time. Not blame you either. Damn. We. There's this style I'm gonna show you. Yes.
Zeb.
Hey.
Zeb!
Hey, what is it?
What's this rubbish? I want to go home. Please, come and take me home.
Hey, are you mad? What is the problem? Huh? Are you crazy? Will you get back to the car? I said get back to the car! Small nyash the shake. Then I called you. Hello, babe? Don't mind me. I want small something where they disturb me here. Don't buy them. You are the sweetest. I know. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see you very soon. Wait. What song are you playing? Wow. Actually, I'm dancing it here. You need to see me dancing the song. I'm enjoying it. Okay. I'll get back to you, okay? Yeah, I'll get back to you. I love you too. Mwah.
What of this? Won't it look good on this?
Oh, it's nice. But I would like you should go for a sample now.
Sample
It's
list.
better.
What does it require?
If I get a doll face, I want the doll face to make it.
No, that would be too beautiful now. I will leave it to my traditional marriage then.
Hey, madam, see how bad is before you talk about marriage.
See you, Rita. We walk by faith, not by sight. Rita, I'm bothered. I'm worried.
Worried about what?
Rita, I want to get married. Just look at me. Am I not beautiful? Am I not in shape? No boyfriend, no fiancé. I'm just single. My mates are getting married every now and then. I'm like, God.
So then you have to take it easy. Marriage is not something you rush into. You have to take your time. You will meet the right person. Okay? Don't get married or rush into marriage because people are talking about it. Just calm down. The right man will come.
Oh God. Let my destiny husband locate me now.
He will.
I want to get married.
You will.
Rita, look at this style. Which one is the most beautiful?
So, babe, I am going to transfer you 25,000 naira, okay? Just for your sweat.
25,000 for what?
For your sweat?
I don't understand. Oga, please, I need money. Give me money, Biko, please.
Am I the one you're calling Oga? Come on, just accept it, okay?
I said I need money. I need cash. Cash. Give me cash. I don't need any transfer. Give me cash right now, please.
Are you shouting at me?
I'm not shouting. I just need money, please.
Are you shouting at me?
Zeb, I don't want to talk. Give me money.
No, talk. Go ahead and talk. No, insult me. Talk to me. You've now grown wings to talk to me, right? You know what? I am not going to give you any dime again. And get down from my car.
What?
I said get...
Zeb!
So what? I'm not giving you any dime again.
I don't blame you. Big job. Fool. Animal. Zeb! I'm going to fire you here.
I've not been seeing Maxwell around. Huh? And each time I want to ask you this question, it skips my memory. He has not been coming around. Or does he come unannounced?
Mama, I don't think he will come here again.
What do you mean by you don't think he will come again? What happened?
Mama, if you see the kind of insults Sister Rita gave to Brother Maxwell, the other day we will come back from Bible study, Mama.
Insult?
Yes.
Rita insulted Maxwell. But why? Did he came in?
The worst part of it, Mama, is that she even walked out on him after insulting him, Mama.
Walked out on him?
Yes, ma'am.
Rita. Is she mad in this house?
Mama, good afternoon.
Mama, afternoon, okay. What is going on between you and Maxwell?
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. See, don't even try to play games with me. I'm not in that mood at all. Why did you insult Maxwell?
This your mouth will put you in trouble one day. Uche, this your mouth will put you in trouble.
That you just said that did not answer my question. Okay, what happened between you and Maxwell?
I did not insult him. I only asked him to stop following me around, but I'm not interested.
Huh? He should stop following you around. You are not interested. No, you must be interested in this house. Okay, Rita, your cup is getting full. And when it gets filled in this house, I will help you. Mama, I'll help you to pour you like Mama, you will tear my clothes. I will pour you out in this house. I'll pour you like I've been warning you. You must be interested. And you will like, you know, with Maxwell, a Christian brother. Mama, you're helping me. Mama, I said I'm not. You don't understand. Mama, I said, you must be interested in this house. You must be interested in this house, Onyala. What did she say? Let me hear her mouth there again. She must be interested.
Yes, Mama.
How can she insult Maxwell, a Christian brother, dedicated in the Church of God? Onyala. You want to marry a son of the devil? Not in this house. You must marry a Christian brother. Madam, come back. Madam, come back. Madam, come back. Are you mad? Madam, why you want to deprive me of my security rights? Huh? My guy say make everybody where they find and stand outside. You are just open gate. You just enter anyhow. Please come and stand outside and wait for my guy.
Wait. Are you trying to say that I should go outside? That I have to call my boyfriend, my own boyfriend, before I step my foot into this house? Is that what you're trying to say?
Madam, that is the order.
You must be stupid. You must be nuts.
I don't agree that one. I'm not. So please, with due respect to your personality, please can you just step out?
Baby, can you imagine this your stupid gate man asked me to go outside the gate, that I have to call you before I step my foot into my boyfriend's house?
Is that true?
That's okay.
And why did you do that? Who gave you order? Are you mad? Who gave you order? Huh?
Stupid. Nobody. I gave myself.
Oh yeah, get out.
Okay.
Can you imagine?
Baby, tell me the truth. Did you actually ask that guy to keep me outside the gates?
And you think it's possible? Huh? If I ask him not to allow you here, then what will I gain?
It's just
A whole you. Look at you. Huh? Come on, stand up and show the world what you get. Wow. Why did that crazy not to allow you into my house? Come on, come here. Wow. This guy is so stupid.
Very stupid.
You know, I asked him not to allow all these riffraffs to enter my house. They used to come here to beg for money and
Really?
some stupid things, you know.
I thought as much.
It's okay, come on, let's go in. Let's go in.
Okay.
Right after you. It's okay, I got your back. Wow. This boy is so stupid. Hey, babe. Hello, babe. What's up now? Yeah, you know, those things on your chest. Yeah, I mean those things, they need to be massaged.
Hey, baby. I'm ready to leave.
Hey, my angel, you ready, right?
Yes, I'd like to drop it off.
It's okay, come on. Let me drop you off, okay?
Okay.
Sweet girl.
Yes.
Wow. Hello? Oh, babe? What's up? Oh, you at the junction? Are you there now? Okay, just hold on. I'm coming right away. Okay? Sweet girl. Wow. Okay, I'm coming. Babe, I'm so sorry I can't drop you off again, okay? I have to transfer some money to you right away. So you start going.
How am I supposed to do that? You know you live in an estate. How do you expect me to trek to the gate?
Hello? You want me to carry you on my head? How do you expect me to carry like two girls in my car so you guys will start fighting? Or your plan is to break my windscreen, right? It won't work for you. Huh? I'm going to make a transfer to you if you want your trek or whatever. I don't care. It's your own cup of tea. Okay? After all, exercise is good for the body. you need it, you know. Send me your account number. Let me make you a transfer. You're welcome to my house, my tum-tum.
Oh my God. Wow, your house is so beautiful.
Yeah, it's all mine. You like it?
I love it. And that makes me love you.
Wow.
Yes.
So, shall we?
Of course we can.
Then come on.
Oh my God! Oh!
Do you also sew men clothes?
No, I don't. Sorry.
I think you're cheating here. Yeah. Or you don't want to sew for me?
No, it's not that. I don't know how to sell men clothes.
That's fine. Oh, that's it. Oh, done. Yeah, hello. Oh, my container just arrived. No, that shouldn't be a problem. I sent 40 million already. Yes. Let's say before the end of today, I'll balance 20 million. You see? No, I said I'll balance 20 million. The previous 35 million. Okay, I'll send in 18 million. Then I will balance the remaining 20 million.
Yeah, hello, Smith. Yeah, how are you? Okay, great. I won't be able to attend the forthcoming board meeting, but my fiancé, EK, he will handle the affairs of the company. There is no but. He's capable of handling the affairs of my company. Good. Now endeavor to tell other staff so they can comply with him. Comprehend? Good. Hey girls! Yes, talking about my wedding dress. I know. Yes, I want the sequence tie. You said? That exact one I showed you in the picture.
Alpha. Brother. How you and Rita take waka now?
See my problem with you, amebo. You do like amebo.
Which one be amebo now, brother?
How you want me with you, waka? You know this kind of thing, they're not the rush up. Now small.
Wetin make me leave una two comot and for you to get chance talk to am.
You tell me? You not tell me now.
I'm man like you. I go tell you.
I want the rush. You know, see all these kind of things are not sabi.
Oh, I hear you.
Look at us. That's your friend. She don't marry.
Which one be saying she don't marry? If she don't marry, I know carry you go there. Never marry.
See that your friend there? I never even see what will make me not marry him. As I did like this, I'll be married man. I don't get why.
She's a girl of wisdom. She's a good girl.
Why you not go talk so not be your friend?
Forget that thing. I tell you how I be.
You don't cook finish.
Only food is sabi. Don't worry, I go cook for you.
What to make me come village? Not because I did miss the food.
I know. Like I cook.
Or you go kitchen, ma clean finish.
Rita. Your phone is ringing. Why are you not picking it? Rita, I said pick that call.
It's my phone and not yours.
Okay, it's Maxwell that is calling. You don't want to pick that call. After you insulted him, he's even calling you. And you can't pick his call. I'm going to pick a call also now. I'm giving you an order as your mother to pick this call.
Mama, is it my phone?
I said pick this call! Go pick a call also! Lakwala! In your ear. Put your ear. Hello? Have you seen what you're smiling when you're talking? Expression. Leaving you're looking for you. Mama, leave me alone. You will see what you're looking for. Mama, leave me alone. Let's go inside. Is that how you answer call? You answer, good afternoon. How are you? Oh, okay, says that phone. Who taught you that? Eh?
I don't want to talk to
I said, shut up, are you still answering me? What? Shut up, also. Lapo. What? You can't lamb with you.
Hey, babe.
Hello, darling.
Is there nothing in this house to eat?
Nope, there's no food to eat.
Why?
Because I couldn't cook. I can't remember the last time I did that. So...
That means we're gonna go on a hunger strike.
Oh, I can't stay hungry. I thought you were supposed to get food while coming back home.
It's okay, it's okay. You get, let's go to somewhere and look for something to eat.
Oh, really? Yeah! That's why I love you.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I don't have the time to cook. I don't have any strength. I'm just, tired and I just need to, my makeup, my nails, So, where are we to? Let's go, let's go. Okay, let me go.
Okay, get my car keys,
Yeah. We need to find something to fix the store.
Oh, sweetheart.
My love.
How was the day?
It was fine. Babe, how are you?
I'm just fine. I'm fine.
And how was the meeting?
Baby, you know what? I'm so finished.
Oh, I actually made food before going to the salon. You know what? Why don't I go change up and then I'll fix your food, alright?
But I need a cold bath.
You need a cold bath? You need a cold bath? Alright, let's go then. Alright, babe. I'm sorry for coming late.
Oh, I've been waiting.
I know. I'm so sorry, babe. Baby, how are you? Oh my God, I enjoyed you.
Yeah, I know.
You are so fine.
Sit.
All right. You're obstructing my view. Oh my goodness. Baby, let's have my slippers, please. Wow. Thank you.
believe what happened today during the board meeting.
Baby, tell me what happened.
The customer came
Okay.
not to buy our products, but to make inquiry.
Okay.
Then when he came, he did not find the staffs on the seats.
Okay.
Then he walked straight to the meeting hall and found me speaking. Guess what?
What?
At the end of my speech,
Yeah?
he decided to buy thousands of the company's new products.
Wow! Are you kidding me? You know, I knew that you would do it. I knew that you could do this. When the manager was doubting, I told him just give him a chance. And look at it. You know what, babe? I am super proud of you.
And I can go 1,000 miles for you.
Oh, look at that. Of a truth, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
And you are the reason for my living.
Oh, babe. Come here. I love you.
And I love you till the end of time.
I just see. I can't just wait to see the manager's face. You know he doesn't like you. I don't know what his problem is, but I am happy. I am proud. What the hell? What's that?
What is wrong with you? You know I miss you a lot. How can you say a thing like that? The thing is that I tried to call you, but number wasn't going through. You know you're my best friend. You are the only friend I have in this village. Of course I am sure. I miss you a lot. So tell me, how are you and how is work? They are fine. They're okay. Yes, my dear, I'm done for today. All right, darling. Take care of yourself. Bye.
You're welcome, ma. Oh, you get out from here. What are you doing here? What's the meaning of this? I'm sorry, ma. What the hell are you doing? I'm sorry, ma. Hello? Who the hell are you?
I'm looking for Zeb.
Ooh.
Is he in?
Zeb. No, he is not in.
All right. I'll wait.
What? Whatever. Oh, where the fuck are you going to? Look at you. Just take a good look at you. You prostitute? You whore? Yuck!
Oh, shh. In case you want to know, my name is Sugar.
Oh, Sugar. Sugar.
And who the hell are you?
Who the hell am I? Of course I! I'm his wife, and he is my husband.
You stink.
Did you just call me? You stop!
Come. What are you doing there? Where are you going to?
I'm going for prayer meeting.
Prayer meeting. Oh, okay. Sit down. You're going for prayers. Sit down. Let me give you prayer points. As you made up your mind, you're going for prayers. Biko, I'm begging you in the name of God. If you get to that place, don't pray for money, for friend, for hair, for pancake. Don't even make such prayers. I beg you in the name of God. ask God for marital settlement. Marital settlement. All the ezigbo mkpa as a girl that you put it in prayer so God will hear you and get serious with it. It's giving me concern. Oh. See my waist and my breast. It's because I gave birth to you. You gotta go and I'm still maintaining it well. But your own now is expanding more than it's getting up to this my size, and I have an issue with that. You've not been pregnant before. So when you get to my age, how will it look like? I don't want to get to my age without getting pregnant. Lord, get married, have a child. It's very important to me. Oh, no matter what every other person is praying today, just put your hand together. God, settle me. Settle me. Marital settlement. Marital settlement. Eduhemko. Okay, you've heard me. Get up before you. Marital settlement. I thought you said you're going. Get what? Marital settlement. Write it down. Marital settlement. Marital settlement. Very important. I don't like the way your waist is expanding. It's giving me concern.
Hello, babe. I'm fine. They are great. Babe, come on, one question at a time. Are you nervous? Oh, come on, stop it. You're not going to lose me, okay? Nobody's losing anybody. My parents, they said I should tell you that you can bring your people to come see them. I know. Okay, baby. When are you coming back? You want to cook for me? Okay, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm waiting for you. I love you, baby. I love you. Yeah?
It will also bring more customers when they know we have varieties of products in our company.
Babe, God bless the day I met you. Honestly.
Amen. And God bless the day you accepted to be mine.
Oh, my love. So tell me, how do we go about it?
There's a company I knew in Lagos.
Okay.
Their product is selling fast right now.
Okay.
So I think we get their products and add it to ours.
Okay. Why don't we get 10 containers then? You know, let's start with that.
No, sweetheart. This is business. Let's start with a container.
Okay.
Then when the demand is high, we can get more.
You see why I chose you? Babe, you are smart. Come here, baby. Oh, my love, thank you. I love you too. So when do we get started? I mean, how do we reach this company? Because I can't wait to associate with them. And, you know, let's do business together.
Okay, this is what we do.
Okay.
I will contact them, then I will update you.
I want to know everything about the company.
I will do that. I will do my finding.
Rita, my daughter. Papa. I observed that when you came back yesterday, you were very tired. And I decided to let you rest.
Papa, thank God you didn't wake me. I was very, very tired.
One of my customers held me till night. I was so tired.
That's serious. There is something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, Papa. I'm listening.
You know this Njoku's son? His name is Daniel. You must know him. He came here yesterday and was asking for your hand in marriage. And I was very, very excited. And gave my consent. I even went ahead to ask him to choose a date for the marriage.
What?
It's a fine thing now.
Papa, how can you accept the marriage proposal without my consent? Why would you do a thing like that?
I am your father and the head of this house. Don't forget that I have the right to decide what happens here and what doesn't. Huh?
Papa, honestly speaking, I don't like...
Shut up your mouth and go inside your room. Go inside the house. Eh? What do you know about what we are talking about?
Papa, I will not marry anybody. I'm telling you now, I'm very sure about it.
My friend.
What kind of joke is that one?
Look at this one. Eh?
Thank God I found you.
Rita, what is it that you cannot even greet me this morning?
And what is good about this morning? Are you aware?
Of what?
Of the fact that our marriage ceremony has been fixed.
Oh, that's good news. Is that why you're frowning?
It is no good news to me. Then what is your problem? I thought we are over this marriage of a thing. Huh? Then listen, we are adults and we have our own opinions on matters like this. What is it?
My dear Rita, I see nothing wrong in what is happening right now, okay? See, your parents want the best for us. That is why they are doing all this.
I see. How do you explain this? That my own marriage ceremony was fixed without my consent. Huh?
Seriously, I never knew you're not aware of it. The date was fixed yesterday. That is why your father asked me to take him to your uncle. Just calm down.
And you concur to it. Why didn't you say no?
My dear Rita, which man in his right senses would say no to that? Come on. I love you and I want to marry you.
And I don't want to marry you. I don't love you. What is it you don't understand? I don't want to marry you.
Anyway, you know I'm not the problem here. You are the problem. Listen, Rita, you are old enough to marry. And I am responsible. Just calm down.
I see. Okay.
Rita, you...
Babe, I mean, I can't believe we sold everything that company supplied to us.
Congratulations, babe.
No, congratulations to us, babe. I mean, you brought the idea, you bought the product, and you helped in selling them. So, I mean, it's a win-win for us.
No, babe, it won't have been possible without God. God alone owns the glory.
Yes. Thank you, God. Thank you for everything. And thank you for bringing you to me. You know, I keep thanking God because since you came into my life, like, my world changed. Everything changed for good. Like, thank you.
You've been a bundle of joy to me. You are the woman behind my success. My boss lady.
No. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I love you.
I love you more.
Can you just give me a kiss already?
Thank you. Oh, look at you.
I am sorry for the way I handled things at first. Okay? I know it's not normal. But like they say, no man knows it all. I'm sorry.
Now you're making sense. Our generation, they need to see beyond the old people and embrace the realities of life. You're a good person and I like you. I don't have any problem in being friends with you. Not at all.
Rita, thanks for accepting my apology. Okay? Just wish we can see beyond friends.
Don't start. If you don't want to change my mood, please don't start. Change the topic, please.
Okay. What else do you want us to talk about now? Other than my interest in marrying you?
Babe.
Sweetheart.
You know, I thought about that business proposal you spoke about. And I think we should go with the one container. I mean, it's a wise thing to do.
It's good you thought about it and made your decision.
Do I still have your account details?
Yes, it should be in your phone.
Okay, let me check. Oh, I have it. So I'll make the transfer this night, okay?
Yes, sweetheart.
My business partner.
That is my boss lady.
Oh, please. Thank you so much. That was really thoughtful of you. Like, I never thought in that direction, you know?
Yeah.
Don't be stupid, come here! Goats! Where is your Oga? You mean Oga? Are you mad? Yes, Oga. Which of the Oga? How many Oga do you have? Okay. Oga, you know do day when carrying car come up for here. Okay, now go. My daughter. Thank God, not dream. Madam, I'm coming!
Where are we? Are we in your boss's company? You like it? Yeah?
You're welcome to my humble abode.
Yay! Good. Is it not fire?
Firewood!
The pot. Yeah?
No, that's a decoration.
Who's one now? Hey! Ikechukwu. Yeah, Ikechukwu has come and come. Where is Ikechukwu?
He's upstairs in the room. Let me fetch him. Please sit down. Sister, please sit down.
This is your place.
Yes, sir. Please sit down. I'll be right back. Let me fetch him. Alright?
Babe!
What's not babe?
Baby!
Ikechukwu.
Hey!
Ikechukwu, babe. Uncle. You got that babe. Uncle, you are here. Ikechukwu.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Uncle, you are welcome. Hey. Oh, God, don't know. Good. It shall be well with both of you.
Amen. Amen.
By this time, bouncing baby boys. Oh yes, bouncing baby boys.
Uncle, take it easy.
Everywhere you have everything to take care of them.
What? You came from a long journey. Please sit down. Let me get you something to drink.
Even Billy can. I want some wine. Billy, oh, for. You can't have amala.
Start with fufu. Uncle, Auntie. Let me just get you something to drink. Okay? I'll be right back. Something cold. I'll be right back.
Rude. Uncle, you are welcome. Thank you, my brother Ikechukwu. Ikechukwu, you're blessed. Rita is a blessing to you. So the worst thing you will do is to make mistake. Because we will kill you. If you break Rita's heart, if you make Rita cry, and Rita happens to call me, on her phone.
I love her so much.
Love.
Okay, Uncle.
Rita, I am sorry this whole marriage issue took you unawares. Okay, I'm really, really sorry. Listen, I just want you to forgive and forget. Okay, and kill every spirit of anger in you. Okay? Just see me as a young man who is in love with a beautiful angel. Okay?
Dan, you are here?
Papa,
I'm very glad you are here. Dan, let's go. Let me just see you for a moment. I want to see you. Please,
Papa, we have something important we are discussing here. Dan, listen. Papa, stop giving me that stand. I don't want to see it. But it doesn't mean I have accepted your proposal. I have not.
Rita, can we please forget about these whole marriage issues for now? At least put a smile on your face. You are too serious.
Dan, please. Just give me 1 minute. Okay?
Papa, what are you saying? I have not accepted this proposal and that is it.
Excuse me 1 minute. I want to talk to my daughter. Please. See, Rita, you see this marriage is already done and dusted. And there's nothing you can do about it.
What are you saying?
Eh?
I would not marry a man I don't want to marry.
You want to bring disgrace to my family? It will not happen.
Papa, you will not force me to marry that man. I won't marry him.
You have married him already. Just let that be on your mind.
Papa, I will not marry that man and that is it.
Don't say I didn't tell you.
Hey, hello. Rita, how was work today?
Fine, thank you.
Child, come and sit down. No, sit down. Before your father knows you're back. Rita, Dan and his people came here today. And they said they will be coming the 24th of this month to collect the list, kill the goats, settle the list, and do Ibanko the same day. So I want you to get prepared for that D-Day, because on that day everything will happen. And your father said if you don't marry Dan this time, hey, both of us will disown you. Just let me tell you as your mother.
Mama, are you being serious right now?
Do I look as if I'm joking? I am very serious.
This is not happening and I would never marry Dan.
What will not happen? You will not marry Dan. In Lusiguia. You must marry him in this house. Ilapuala. You must marry Dan in this house. Can you like area? Are you stupid? Somebody is coming here to kill goats, make bread press. Banku, are you an idiot? You must marry that man, oh. You must marry that man. Ifrokora. Unyala, we must eat that goat in this house, so you must marry him. What nonsense? Are you stupid? I gave you the same breast and the same waist. Try it in this house. What is she even saying? Dear Rita.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Good morning.
Wait, my brother.
My Brother,
I want to talk to him. Go and call
I
him.
hope there is no problem.
There is a problem. Please, go and call him.
Jane,
Brother,
what is it?
You're here. Listen, I have come to tell you that I am not interested in that your kind of marriage. Read my lips. I am not interested. So I will advise you to go back to my father and cancel whatever arrangements you have made with him. I don't want to talk about this again. I will not. Rubbish.
brother, what is going on here? Huh?
I was shocked as well. In fact, I'm dumbfounded. I'm just surprised. I never expected this from her.
What happened now?
Actually, I wanted to marry her, right?
Yes.
And you're here. She said she's not interested anymore.
Brother, leave that thing. Forget that thing. Maybe mistake don't dey for the body where you put. I know this girl. Na very good girl. Na nice girl. I want me still put more body. Still put more body. She go gree.
Peter, that'll be for another time. For now, I'm going back to the city.
If I be another time again. You don't dey old, shey you know. Now you need to marry you. Now where you go marry. Forget that way they call me.
Peter, I have to finish up my business in Lagos.
I hear you, but you need to marry now. I don't dey tell you now.
Heavenly Father, please come to my rescue. Come to my aid. I ask for one thing, and that is to break this marriage. Don't let it hold. I don't feel anything for Dan. My heart is not with him. I don't love him.
She needs promise to buy me a car. That's why I love you.
Hello, buddy. Are the goods in the warehouse already? What do you mean by no? For how long is it going to come? What? Okay. I am coming there right away. I am coming. Wow. What? Babe? I am going to leave you right here, okay? There's a problem right now. My delivery car just got spot on the road.
Why do you have to leave me here? What's the meaning of this? Huh?
Hey, are you high?
Which one is that? Am I high? Do I look high to you?
Of course, you're looking high. What's your problem? I just told you that my delivery car got spot on the road. I have to rush and know what...
Then he should sort it out. Why is he calling you? He should do everything, all the needful. What's the meaning of this?
Listen. I can joke with women. I can joke with everything, but I don't joke with my work. I don't joke with my business.
Are you trying to tell me a joker or something?
What I'm trying to say is, I'm going to leave you here. I'm rushing to the office. I'm losing my time right now. Okay? I'll see you later.
All right, fine. You can go. I just hate you. Who wants to enter your cheap car? Rubbish.
Yalla, ball everywhere. Can you imagine? I'm telling her that I'm losing money, and she's talking rubbish. Flying monkey.
Fall in love with the wrong person. Cause if you fall wrong, you go see I'm with you. You go cry every day. Hey, you gotta touch your emotions to play with your heart. You go see I'm with you. You go see I'm more. You go touch your emotions. You go cry and I know.
Dan, is everything alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh, baby, shine your eyes.
Clint, how's the transaction with Johnson no more?
Transaction with Mr. Johnson done. Everything was successful. You are aware. Why are you asking me again?
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Dan, is there something you're not telling me?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Come on, man.
Clint, I said I'm fine.
Forget money, the choice is mine. Oh yeah, you should. I'm wherever now for you for. Allow me to be, cause we are not destined together. Allow me to be myself.
No, hello. Baby, where are you?
Does not belong to you, My heart does not belong to you.
Yes, I told you I went to do some shopping.
Yes, I know. But it's taking more than expected.
I am done already. Yes, I'll be home soon.
It's alright. Just be fast, eh? I'm in the house waiting for you.
Yeah. Bye.
Oh yeah, you should. I'm wherever now for you for.
Barry, there's something you want to tell me. Dan, are you sure everything is alright? Daniel, but you know you can talk to me. You're not fine. Ever since I came, you've not been
said I'm fine. I'm fine. Rita, you told me you've done shop in 30 minutes ago.
Dan, sorry.
Rita, you told me you're done shopping 30 minutes ago. And when does driving from the mall to the house takes 30 minutes?
Dan, please. Listen, I don't have strength for these your questions now. Please.
Listen, Rita, I'm sorry for bombarding you with too many questions. Rita, can you at least tell me why you were not happy when entering the house?
Like you don't know.
I don't know. Can you please tell me?
Ever since you or your parents forced me into this marriage, I am no longer happy with myself. That's why.
And Rita, do you expect me to kill myself? I have done everything possible to make this marriage work, all to no avail. It is either you choose to be happy or you remain sad. It is none of my business. Okay? You see this marriage, you and I, we die here. You get it? We die here.
The choice is mine. Forget money. The choice is mine. Oh yeah, you should. I'm wherever now for you for. It's not my kind of. Forget money. The choice is mine. Oh yeah, you should.
Hey, that guy is so funny, eh? He's truly a prescribed medicine for high blood pressure, like he said. Let me check him on social media to see if I can get his handle.
What? What am I saying? No. Am I dreaming or what? Is this not Rita's marriage picture? No. It's a lie. Rita, I know, cannot get married without telling me. No, let me call her. Hello? Hello?
Susie, I can hear you. Yes, I know. Of course. You're making me anxious. What is it? Susan, say something. What are you saying? My what? I'm not married. I am being sincere with you. I am not married. Susan, I am not married. I'm doing something. Please, I'll call you back.
Baby! You are here.
Yes, I am.
Oh! My love, what were you doing?
Oh, I was watching a trailer.
Okay.
Yeah. What's
My
up?
baby. Don't you think since the first container made a huge profit, is the right time we order for more containers?
You know, I was just discussing this with my manager, and he said yes, that since the first we had progress in it, that we should get more.
Good.
So tell me, how many should we get?
You see, let's do it gradually. Why don't we get 2 containers?
2 containers? Why don't you just make it 10?
That is a whole lot of money, sweetheart. Yeah.
Let me tell you something. In business, right? You spend more in order to gain more. It's a win-win situation.
You are right.
Yes, baby.
My business tycoon.
Baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what we're going to do? You have to contact those people so that they will know we want more of the containers, and let's just get to work already, okay?
Okay.
So just contact them.
Okay, I will do so.
Just call them. Let's do it.
I will call them.
Yes, do that.
Let me place the order.
Okay, cool.
This life, you see, all fingers he's a playboy, but you know the play with his business, cause business is business. Sure you don't see him. This life, no balance when you the play with their emotions. Because all it takes.
Babe, what are you still doing there?
Baby, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to reply my sister's WhatsApp message.
When you know I'm inside waiting for you all this while.
Come on, baby. I promise I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Baby, you're actually wasting my time. Come to bed. Come on.
Honey, it's a promise. I'll be with you.
You want me to make call? Because when I make call now, you get angry.
Don't make any call. Don't make...
You're wasting my time. No. I'm going to make call.
I'm calling, baby.
I'm going to call another girl right now.
I'm calling, baby. I'm calling.
You know what I like, right?
I know, baby.
What's mistake you made? Used to be in love.
What is it now? Wait.
What is wrong with you?
Stop touching me.
Are you rejecting me or what?
I am not. I am not in the mood. What? What is your problem? Let me go.
Rita.
Please, I am not in the mood.
Rita, what has come over?
I said I am not in the mood.
I don't understand. Do you have the right to be in the mood?
Dan, please.
No, do you have the right to be in the mood? I paid for your dad.
Dan, please leave me alone.
No, I really don't care.
Leave me alone. I am tired of what.
Rita!
Dan, leave me alone. What is it? I am tired of what nonsense. Leave me alone. I don't want to do anything. What is it?
Rita, what is wrong?
Dan, leave me
What
alone.
has come
It's
over
not
you?
my fault. Leave me alone. I don't
Rita!
want.
Rita!
Dan, leave
Rita!
me alone. All the one I've been doing it, you're the only one that enjoys it. I don't want to do it again.
Who asked you whether you're enjoying it or not?
Leave me
Do I
alone.
say you're enjoying it or not?
Dan,
Rita!
Dan, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want.
What is your problem? Listen. This shouldn't repeat itself again. For the last time, I'm warning you. Because if you dare try this again, you will leave me with no option than to force my way through.
Force yourself on me. Force yourself on me that I am not doing. I don't want. It's not by force.
I am leaving you.
Sex is not by force. I don't want to do. I don't want to, Oga. Rubbish. Come and do it now. You want to come and do? Come and do it. Nonsense.
Hello? Rita, where are you? I should be the one asking you if there is a problem, Rita. I'm in the village now. I came to pay the laborers for cultivating on my late father's land. While I was talking to them, I saw your father and I greeted him. He told me that you are married, Rita. Your father even told me you live in the same city with me. Yes, in the same state. Rita, how could you? You told me you are not married, while your father told me you are. How could you lie to me? I thought we were friends, Rita. I thought you are my very good friend. Why? Why would you hide such important information from me? Why would you? Hello? Hello, Rita, can you hear me? You know what? I want to see you. Like, I want to see you right now. Text me your house address. I'm coming to your house. Yes.
Baby. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay. The cosmetic company in Lagos called me earlier saying that they haven't received the payment yet.
Oh my goodness.
And they said if they should sell it to other companies.
No. I totally forgot. Baby, come on, you should have reminded me.
I forgot as well.
Okay, I'm going to do the transfer this night so you can make payments tomorrow morning. Okay?
Okay.
Baby, you should have reminded me now.
I forgot.
Oh, man, what are you thinking about? You're thinking about someone else, right?
No, just you. I was thinking about you.
Why are you lying down here all alone in the middle of the night?
Daniel, I think we need to see a therapist.
Why do we need to see a therapist?
Are you asking me that question? Can't you say that this marriage is not working?
Is that why you want us to see a therapist?
Yes, to seek solution to this problem.
That's good advice. You know what? Talk to me about everything you want to tell the therapist, and I'll provide you the solution.
Daniel, it's no joke. I am not joking.
Neither am I. You see, Rita, what has come over you again? Rita! Rita! Wait for me. Wait for me.
His number is still not reachable. Okay, what is happening? Could it be that he might have returned in the office with the 10 containers? The manager. Hello? You by any chance see Kiki at the office today? Yes, my fiance. No? What about the containers? Did he bring it in? Did you see the containers? What?
Dan, did you notice something about your wife?
Something like what?
Something like she's always sad. She looks unhappy every time. I think something is bothering her.
Wait. Don't tell me say all those one way they come my house now my wife face you can't they look.
Dan, which can't come be that one now?
It's alright. You know I was only joking.
That joke, you don't mostly expensive just now, so now.
Yeah, you too they take something serious. You see as my wife there, a kind of person, with they happy inside her, but outside because of her face, it be like say she not they happy. You understand? So forget anything about that her face. She's a happy woman.
Dan, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, if you say so.
So my wife now. That reminds me. How you and Miss Patrick, how now transaction today go?
That woman. Mother woman has sad this. You not go believe say me and that woman at the office morning till night. We not even do anything. She begin to bury me with her life story and all that. I'm gonna make that woman go take care of her problem.
You know if you say the deal don't kill.
Nothing. Nobody had to tell you so. Nothing.
Where did Zed go to? I thought he was here watching football some minutes ago.
Allow me to be, 'cause we are not destined together. Allow me to danger. Forget money, the choice is mine. Oh yeah, you should. I'm ever not for you for. Allow me to be, 'cause we are not destined together.
Eteko, how are you? Good day. Are you okay? I'm fine. Is there any problem? No, no problem. I want to okay. Yes, it's inside. Thank you.
What is wrong with Ike? Why is he putting me under so much stress? Maybe something might have happened to him on his way to Lagos. Was he kidnapped? God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. Ruth, you need to calm down. think. Okay, what do I do? His uncle. Not reachable. I don't even understand these old people. They will have phones and they will not charge their phones. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to relax. Once Ike comes back, he will have to explain to me why he's getting me worked up. Because I can't take it.
Which I told you the last time you deprived me of my right, that I'm going to force myself on you, right? You brought this upon yourself. Stay there and mourn those people who died in the war. Keep crying.
Why you put me through all of this? You put me through this. You threw your only daughter into the lion's den. I hate you. I hate you.
Hey.
Uncle? Who is there, oh? Uncle? Sister? Who is here?
This place looks empty.
Sister?
Excuse me, sorry, please. This uncle and auntie that stays here, where are they? I've looked everywhere. That place looks empty.
No, they no longer live here.
They no longer live here?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't understand how.
They packed out 2 days ago.
They packed out 2 days ago. Packed to where? Is this not their family house? This is what they say. Where will they pack to? How now?
Ma, they not from this village. Oh.
Oh. Hey! Hey!
What is bothering you? What is it?
Mama, I'm bothered about Sister Rita.
Did she call you?
No, Mama.
Did she complain of anything?
No, Mama.
So what is bothering you?
Mama, I don't think she's happy in her marriage.
Prophet Uche, tell me you're missing your sister, will understand.
Mama, it's not that I'm missing her. I feel it.
You feel what? That she's not happy in her marriage?
Yes.
Hi, Uche. Uche, you're a young boy. This is not girlfriend, boyfriend. This is marriage. And you know nothing about marriage. Oh? Marriage is for better, for worse. Oh?
Mama, even when you're not happy in
it. Uche, when you're not happy in it, eh? You will so you don't in marriage you don't complain. You just you learn how to manage it. Marriage is never smooth. Whatever, even if you're not happy, you create your own happiness. In fact, okay. Are you trying to get married soon? I know you're missing your sister. Don't worry, she'll be fine.
Okay, Mama.
We'll go and visit her soon.
No problem,
ah, Prophet Uche, prophet of the Almighty God.
Mama, it's not like that.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, don't worry. Oh, we'll go and visit her. It's okay.
This is destiny. Love in manifest. It was a dream, but it has come true. It was a dream.
as soon as possible. Susie, I'm losing it. I just need to talk to someone. It is more than that. Please, can you send me your house address? Thank you.
For an appointed time, it is good for you to wait in everything you do for God's time, which is the best. For love is beautiful when you are in love with the right person. Oh, for love is beautiful when you are in love with perfect man, perfect woman.
Where did I drop my receipt?
Hey baby, you're back already?
Yeah, my dear. What's up?
I'm good.
Is there no food in this house to eat?
Of course, the food is at the dining there.
Okay. I think I should go there and eat.
Oh, dining.
Right behind you.
Okay, baby.
He's a playboy, but you know the play with you. You the play with your emotions. That's all it takes.
Baby. Hope you like the food.
Wow. That's it. No, when are you leaving?
Oh, as soon as I clear the table.
No. Just have to start living immediately, okay? I don't like people staying around me for long.
It's fine. I'll leave. Do you want more rice?
Talking about you leaving here. Talking about another thing.
Yes, manager. Yes, I want to find out, do you still have the receipt of the last transaction with Cougar Cosmetics Company? Oh, thank God. Okay, I need that receipt, okay? All you need to do is drop it in between the backyard window, okay? All right, thank you very much.
With the wrong person.
What did you do? I don't know. This man doesn't go for you.
You know for the
I don't know him.
I don't know follow God.
I don't know him.
Talk with him.
I said I don't know him. What do you do?
Madam.
I don't know him. I don't know this man from anywhere. I just went to eat myself. I don't know this man.
You want to kill somebody? You are in a very serious problem.
I want to kill you.
Bring this man out of this car.
Madam, what do you do? It is not you. I got peace. I don't know him.
What do you do now? Nobody you drive this motor. Who
I
this
back and make a peace.
You back make a peace. Why is that?
Doctor, I've been waiting for so long now.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Just like I've been busy with a lot of patients, including yours.
It's fine. So, how is he now?
He took overdose drugs.
Why would he do that?
But don't worry, I've given him an injection that will neutralize the effect of the drugs on him. Don't worry.
So, will he be fine?
Yes. I think by tomorrow he's going to be fine.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Just relax, okay? Everything will be fine.
Thank you so much.
If you don't mind, I'll take my leave.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. Let me see if this is number is going to. That has been called. I will not take his call. If you like, let me call from morning till night. I wish.
How, Rita? You kept me waiting.
It's not my fault. The transition that I took was not his way. I didn't even know how to find my way to this place.
Stupid taxi driver. If he didn't know the place, he would have told you so you could look for another person.
My dear, it's a long story. I just need to freshen up.
But honestly speaking, Rita, you don't look good to me at all.
I will tell you everything.
Let's go.
Just look at the time. Rita is not in the house. Can you imagine? I've been calling her and she's not picking. I don't really get it. A married woman, not at home by this time. Who is she leaving this house for? I'll keep calling. I know she won't pick.
So if they can you with her? He made me look for you. For all to no avail. You think you can walk into my life, mess me up, and walk out just like that? You will pay. I will make you pay for every torture you put me through. I will find you. Oh, I will find you. I will mess you up.
Allow me to be, 'cause we are not destined together. Allow me to be myself.
Yes, DPO. This is a matter of urgency. Yes, I'll be needing some of your men tomorrow. Even if it's one of them, I do not mind. Thank you. You are far so kind. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Okay. Ike, I am going to nail you down, even with the last drop of my blood.
Nurse,
Yes?
how did I get here?
A lady brought you here yesterday, unconscious.
Unconscious?
Yes, unconscious.
This lady you're talking about, how does she look? Did she tell you her name?
Yes, her name is Rita. That's what she wrote on the paper I gave to her. And she also paid your bills.
Wow.
She said I should give you this when you wake up.
My car key? Nurse, please, I don't know if this lady dropped her phone number with you. Please, can I have it?
Mr. Dan, Njoko, I am Detective Patrick Naji.
My name is Ruth Ojiako. I'll just go straight to the point. I do buy goods from your company. As a matter of fact, my fiancé bought a container of your cosmetic products and we made sales. Then I wanted to make it big this time. I got 10 containers of your cosmetic products. As I speak to you, my fiancé is nowhere to be found. And we haven't gotten the goods, and that's why we are here. We are here to find out why we haven't received the goods, and this is the receipt of the last transaction we made.
Okay. Miss Ruth.
Yeah.
This logo is not my company's logo.
Calm down. At this point, you need to relax. Calm down.
I am very sorry, madam.
Don't worry, sit down. Mr. Daniel.
I'm very sorry.
Are you very sure about that?
Yes. I am in charge of my company's transactions in and out of this country. Okay? Miss Ruth, too many people have been complaining about this same guy, of defrauding them of their hard-earned money. Madam, I have been in search of this same young man for many years. Yes.
I'm finished.
It's okay. Calm down, relax.
I paid for 10 containers.
Calm down.
It's okay, madam. Just take it easy, okay? It's all right, madam. Just calm down.
Officer, I don't know how you want to do this. I don't know what you need to do. But you and your team must catch this thief. Please, I don't know how you want to do it. But please get him arrested. Please. I am losing my mind.
Calm down. It is our duty to protect the citizens' lives and property. Just relax.
How are you, my son?
And how is my daughter, Rita?
Papa, I'm not fine. Rita, your daughter is nowhere to be found.
What kind of joke is that? What are you even saying? Nowhere to be found how?
What do you mean my daughter is nowhere to be found?
Oh.
I came back 2 days ago and found she's gone.
Gone where? Daniel Njoko, do yourself a favor and go and find my daughter where you kept her. What kind of nonsense is that? Found where? Went where? How?
No, now.
Yeah, I'm serious. Rita, your daughter, left the house without my consent. And ever since then, she's nowhere to be found.
I can't remember when last Rita visited us in this house.
Ever since he got married to you, Daniel, he has not told us.
Talk less of, you know, what is all this about?
Go and find my daughter. I don't want to hear this kind of story. Go and find my daughter.
This is a serious matter. Uche! Where is Uche? Please get me my Bible.
Will you be baby? Susie. How far? Okay. So Rita, I wanted to ask, what is your plan now that you are here?
My dear, I am planning to go back to my sewing business.
Okay. How do you want to go about it? Do you have enough capital to start all over?
No, I don't.
So what is your plan? What do you want to do about it? How do you want to go about it?
I think there are tailors around that I can go to. Maybe talk to them. They'll employ me, and if I help them make some clothes, I'll get paid.
Yes, there are people like that. It's a good idea. They have a point. Yes. You know what will happen? I will help you check around if I can get any for you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're really a friend in need.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate you.
Thank you too. I'll pick your call before the caller will run your battery down.
Hello. Zeb. Yes. Okay, bye.
Someone is not telling me something.
Why are you like this? You too like amiibo.
This is about that keep on calling you morning, afternoon, night. Are you sure it's only him that you have to? There's something that...
No, it's not only him. I have heard
Forget money, the choice is mine.
I don't understand this. What is wrong with Rita? For God's sake, what is wrong with her?
Dan, please calm down.
So this means Rita has left me. No, I can believe this. I will make sure she pays for this. Listen, I have tried everything I could to make this marriage work from the onset, but it's not working. Yes, it's not working. The worst part of it all, client, is that her number is not reachable and I cannot reach her. That is just the problem now.
Dan, please calm down for God's sake. Calm down, man. You should be taking go, not getting angry over this.
What do you mean? Are you mocking me or something? Are you mocking me?
Why will I mock you? How will you say a thing like that, Dan?
You see, you are the cause of this. You are the cause of this whole problem. You kept pushing me all along to get married. Dan, get married. Today, get married. All day and night you kept pushing me. I should get married. You've seen it. You've seen the result of you. What you have caused. You wanted me to get married. No, say it now. I'm a married man and I have a broken home. Just say it.
Really? Dan, you want to blame me for this? Come on, man. I'm just helping you to be a man. Getting married is not a crime. How will I know Rita will wake up one day and leave your house? You are blaming me for this? Calm down. Let's find a way out. All these things.
Crying has never solved any problem, as far as I can remember. Okay?
You don't know what this has done to me. You don't know what Ike has done to me. He has broken me. I don't even know how to begin to pick my pieces. If I don't get to see Ike,
with my money, I'll go bankrupt.
No. That will never happen as far as I'm here. I am right here for you now.
No, that was what he said to me. Don't say that to me. He told me that he would stay with me. He will never leave me. He will protect me. He said so. He made promises to me. And all to no avail.
I understand how you feel. I know exactly how you feel. When someone you love abandons you in the middle of nowhere. You're comfortably leaning on it. I understand. Okay? My wife left me too. Yeah. And I understand how it feels to be heartbroken.
I'm sorry.
That's fine. That's in the past now. Just calm down.
It hurts when you trust someone and you're...
Lover girl. My lover girl is back. Welcome.
I thought you were supposed to be at work by now.
For real? When you've not given me the gist of the day, so how do you expect me to go to work? Oh.
There is no gist.
There is gist though.
Hey, this girl. Gossip will kill you one day.
Let it kill you.
See gist, it will kill you.
Let it kill me. You must tell me something. How did it go?
There is nothing to gist about. No gist.
Which one is no gist now, Rita? Talk to me now. Just give me the cocoa now.
Nothing. Nothing to talk about.
There's something to talk about. There must be something to talk about.
Fine.
Now you come.
You're listening back.
I'm listening now.
Okay, we just had a drink and that was it.
I don't understand. You just had a drink. Just that?
Yes, just that.
No. The gist is not complete, Narita. Tell me what happened.
I don't have any gist for you. That was all. Nothing. Come and start going to over here.
I'm not going, no. It's fine if you don't want to tell me. If you don't want to gist me what happened. I'm not going. It's fine. Okay.
Suzanne, come and go to
I'm
work.
not going. Is it your work? Is it your work? Leave me. I'm not going. I'm not going. If you don't want to gist me, it's fine.
Oh, yeah, don't go now.
I'm not going. I did my day.
Come and go to work.
I'm not going, Rita. Rita, leave me alone. You don't want to give me this that I needed to hear. Leave me now. You still answer another call. I'm here watching you.
Your wife, Rita, has endured this marriage to her limit. That's why she left. There is no woman on earth that can subdue her happiness for sadness. You lied to me, Dan. You told me that your wife is happy inside, while outside she's sad because that's her facial expression. You were wrong, my friend. If she was actually happy, it will show on her look. You don't even need to ask her. When you see a woman that is happy, it shows on her skin. She glows.
Clint, why am I not seeing this feeling? Like I'm having this feeling that you are on her side. Why?
No, Dan. I'm not on her side. It's just sense of reasoning. And you need to understand from my own point of view because I'm saying the truth.
Clint, you see, this is your marriage counseling. You've started again. And I'm not in the mood for this. The last time I checked, you are not a marriage counselor. You only bought a married man. So stop preaching. Just stop preaching to me about all this,
Dan,
too many thoughts.
You are right. I'm only a married man, not a marriage counselor. But you see, no marriage is perfect. Marriage is meant to enjoy, not endure. Marriage needs time, love, patience. Don't forget, Rita, your wife, was forced into this marriage in the first place. You were not even in her mind. She has endured to her limit. That's why she left. You need to understand this, my friend.
It's all right, thank you, my very good friend, my chief advisor, my counselor. I understand.
Forget money, the choice is mine. Whether you shoot, whatever, now for you,
Uche, how was lesson today?
It was fine, Papa. But why is your face like this? Why are you sad?
How do you expect me to be happy when your sister is still missing? Or you expect me to be dancing? Eh?
But Papa, it's you and Mama's fault. People forced her marrying someone she's not in love with.
What kind of statement is that? And what do you know about love? Please, I am not here for that.
No, but Uche is right. It's you that forced her. If not, she would have been in this house. We made her marry the wrong man. You don't hush him down. He's right.
Please.
We made a mistake,
Please.
but you have to go and find her and bring her back to this house.
Please, I am not here for this right now. You people should just leave me alone because I need to think.
This is not a thinking matter. It's about action. Better go and look for a way and bring my daughter back to this house. I have them only two. I only have a boy and a girl. Go and bring her back.
Please, you people should just go. Go. I need to think. Please. Please.
Now. We are not blocking you.
Not thinking.
Dan Njoku, have you found my daughter?
Yes, Papa. I am reliably informed that your daughter is in her first place.
You mean Susie?
Yes, Papa.
Is that why you are here?
No. I am here to collect the bride price I made on your daughter, to set her free, so that she can be free with whosoever man her heart yet for.
I know this will definitely come. But you have to be patient. I'll communicate with my kingsman and get back to you.
My daughter, please forgive me. No matter how heavy the heart of a mother is, it heals. Please forgive me. Let go of every bitterness in you. Remember how all the things you went through to get you to where you are. So let go of that bitterness, Biko, please.
My daughter, please forgive us. We wouldn't have allowed you pass through this hell. If we had known, we wouldn't have forced you into marrying somebody you didn't love. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive us. We're very sorry. Please.
Papa, Mama, I forgive you.
Really?
Yes. And it's all in the past now.
Thank you.
And I'm here to tell you people, call down and give him back his bride price. Because I am getting married soon.
We have done that already.
Yeah, your father have given down his money back.
That makes it easier.
Did you say you're getting married?
Yes.
That's good though. At least there will be joy at last again. But I want to ask you, this man you want to get married to, I hope you love him more. So that there won't be a repeat of what we just experienced. Biko?
Yes, Papa, I love him.
Really? Oh, thank God. Thank you. Thank God.
At last.
Yes, detective. He's been caught. He's at your station right now. Yes! Thank you. You just don't know what you have done to me. Like, you have made my day. Yes. Great.
My dear, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You deserve to be happy after all you've been through.
I am happy that I found love. I thought my world was shattered already. Your love keeps life going.
Exactly. You can say that again, my dear friend. Thanks, yours. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Congrats. 80% of my money recovered? Thank you. You don't know what you just did. You just made my day. Yes, I'll come by your station pretty soon. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm with him right now. Yes. Okay. See you soon. Guess what happened?
I overheard everything.
Oh my days.
Good news.
He's been hot.
Good news.
Like, I always knew. This detective is good. Trust me. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. And he said they recovered 80% of my money. Like, even if it's not everything, at least I have something. That thief. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. Like, thank you so much. This wouldn't have been possible without your help. Like, I don't even know what to say. I'm short of words. Thank you.
You see, Ruth, in as much as the ugly situation brought us together, it yielded a good result, okay? And a positive one at that.
Why did you say that?
Never mind. What? Thanks?
Friends.
Okay. Babe, I see I am so privileged and so happy to be in the household of a lady, a beautiful lady who saved my life. You're such a wonderful person. You're so beautiful.
Thank you. But what I want to ask you is, why would someone want to kill you and take everything you have?
I don't know. I can't just explain. Don't really know, but I thank God that He came around to rescue me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad you said that.
Yeah. You see, words cannot describe how grateful I am to you.
You're thanking me enough now. It's okay.
I can't stop thanking you. I mean, you saved my life.
It's not.
I won't just hang out.
1 second. Hello? Ma? Okay, go. All right. We are waiting.
You're always happy.
Won't I be happy? So tell me, when are you leaving?
Well, let's say first thing tomorrow morning.
You're traveling first thing in the morning?
Yes, for a business seminar, okay? I'll be back before you know it. Wait, do I sense someone missing me already?
No, won't I miss you? Who be alone? You want to leave me alone in this big house?
Okay. You know what? Just get ready and follow me.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
And who will take care of the business?
You see why you have to stay back. Okay? Let me go. I'll come back before you know it.
It's okay. It's just that I'll miss you. I mean, you're like my best friend. So I have nobody to talk to. And I'll be bored. Super bored.
Do you know what?
What?
In fact, I'm missing you already.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
So what are you buying for me when you come back?
Oh, okay, let me get that first. I know what you like.
You know what I like. What do I like?
I'm your husband now.
Oh, please. Rita, take good care of your husband. Hmm? You know your husband is your crown. Remember he said that as you make your bed, so shall you lie on it. You understand? You allow your body to breathe. Eh? In-law. Huh?
Mama, thank you so much.
It's okay.
And I will miss you a lot.
I miss you too. Miss you too.
Mama, don't miss her too much, okay? She'll be coming time to time to see you guys.
You didn't hear that?
Really?
Yeah.
So don't miss me too much.
I'll be here. Take good care of yourself.
I will.
Okay. Allow your husband to make good use of this body.
Mom!
Oh, you didn't hear?
We have to go now. It's getting late.
Okay. I know you're in a hurry already.
Let me get my bag.
Fat body fitted, don't want. Oh, you didn't hear? Oh, one year, you didn't give me a right. Really? You have something to do.
For you to wait for an appointed time.
Baby, wait,
What's going on?
It's an accident. Yes. Let's help him.
What? We should help him? Do you know the victim?
Baby, I don't need to know him before we help them. Let's go and see what is going on there.
We can't just do that. A lot happens these days.
Baby, what are you saying? This same thing happened to you. A lot of people have lost their life because of this kind of things. They don't see one to help them. Please, let's go and help him.
Okay, let's go if you say so.
Thank you.
You know, people are funny these days. Let's go. Come on. Did you say it was a woman that contacted?
A couple, actually. They will soon be here, okay?
Okay.
It's okay. Oh, they are here. Thank you.
Rita.
You know her?
Yes. She's my ex-wife I told you about.
Oh. Thank you so much for saving my husband.
You're welcome. You remarried?
Yes. And I'm a happy man with her by my side.
Same here. Meet my husband, Mr. Zeb Alfred.
Do you mean Mr. Zeb Alfred?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Are you the CEO Fredrick Dollars Company?
Exactly.
Oh my God. Oh. I am happy seeing you. It's a great opportunity meeting with you today, one-on-one.
It's okay.
I am Daniel Njoko, the CEO, Darling Cosmetics Company.
Oh. The company that came to me for a deal.
Exactly, sir. Wow. Please, sir. You are the only means my company will survive. And if you don't help me, my company will go bankrupt.
Okay, sweetheart, what's your opinion about this?
Well, if let the past stay in the past. Remember what I've always told you. If you're in a position to help someone, don't hesitate. Sign it for him.
Oh, God bless you. Thank you so much. You're such a good woman. Thank you.
Thank you, Rita. Thank you so much.
It's okay. You don't need to bother yourself. Just get well, okay? And before you know it, the deal is done. I will sign it.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
No, you don't really have to thank me. You have to thank this wonderful damsel.
Yeah, she is wonderful. Yeah, she is.
Rita, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And get well soon.
Okay?
Okay?
Thank you.
It's okay, just drop your hand.
For those times, which is the best.